Welcome to Car Updater, your ultimate destination for the latest car news, reviews, and insights. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2026 Toyota Cressida, a nameplate that holds a legendary status among car enthusiasts. Toyota has revived this classic model with a fresh new approach, combining luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology to make it a standout in the modern sedan market. The 2026 Toyota Cressida has been designed to offer a premium yet practical driving experience. The exterior design reflects a perfect balance of elegance and sportiness, with a sleek aerodynamic profile, a bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights. Toyota has infused the Cressida with a sophisticated and aggressive stance, making it an eye-catching presence on the road. The rear end features a seamless LED taillight design, adding to the car's modern appeal. Under the hood, the 2026 Cressida is available in multiple powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. For those looking for a more dynamic experience, Toyota offers a hybrid variant with enhanced fuel economy and lower emissions. The top-tier model boasts a potent inline-6 engine, providing a thrilling driving experience with smooth acceleration and refined performance. All versions come with an advanced automatic transmission, ensuring a seamless and responsive ride. Stepping inside the cabin, the 2026 Cressida offers a luxurious and tech-forward interior. Premium materials, including leather upholstery and wood accents, create a refined atmosphere. The digital dashboard integrates a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota has equipped the Cressida with an advanced driver assist system, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced safety and convenience. The spacious seating arrangement ensures comfort for both the driver and passengers, making it an ideal sedan for long journeys. One of the key highlights of the 2026 Cressida is its driving dynamics. Toyota has engineered this model to provide a smooth yet engaging ride, thanks to its adaptive suspension system and precise steering. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Cressida delivers a well-balanced and controlled driving experience. Noise insulation has also been improved, allowing for a quiet and serene cabin environment even at high speeds. Customization options allow buyers to personalize their 2026 Cressida with various trim levels, color choices, and wheel designs. Toyota has ensured that this model caters to a wide range of buyers, from those looking for a stylish and reliable daily driver to enthusiasts who appreciate the heritage of the Cressida nameplate. The car's fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and modern amenities make it a strong contender in the midsize luxury sedan segment. Pricing for the 2026 Toyota Cressida is expected to be competitive, positioning it as an attractive alternative to other premium sedans. Toyota has successfully revived this classic model by blending nostalgia with modern innovations, making it a compelling choice for today's drivers. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Toyota Cressida. Let us know in the comments what you think about this comeback and if you would consider owning one. Stay tuned for more exciting car reviews and updates from Car Updater. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest car news and reviews. Thanks for watching Car Updater, and we will see you in the next video.